Meanwhile, Sanjay Malhotra's replacement as Revenue Secretary will have their hands full. Timsy Jaipuria is here with more on the challenges facing the next Revenue Secretary. Timsy?
Well, as Sanjay Malhotra, current Revenue Secretary, embarks on a new journey to take over as RBI Governor in Mumbai, here back in Delhi at North Block, for his seat for the new upcoming Revenue Secretary, he leaves some uphill tasks. Top on the agenda is the immediate ask of GST Council, where three group of ministers are likely to submit its report or seek an extension. Top will be GOM on rate rationalization, where they are likely to propose changes of as many as 148 rates, which could give boost to the lower income group, but yes, enhance taxes on the middle class. And yes, carving out of a special 35% rate for aerated drinks and tobacco products. That's on the agenda. Apart from that, GOM on life insurance and health insurance are likely to submit their report, seeking a reduction in rates on life insurance and health insurance premia. GOM on compensation cess is likely to seek an extension. All these three key decisions are likely to be there in the 21st December GST Council meeting, where Revenue Secretary is also Secretary to the GST Council and he has to steer through these changes. Apart from that, next comes up the budget on 1st of February, where two key challenges are there. Firstly, unveiling of simplified direct tax law, and yes, unveiling and overhauling of custom duties, where rationalization of custom duties is slated. So these two key challenges from both CBDT and CBIC side, keeping the hands of Revenue Secretary full. Also, the Revenue Secretary oversees key agencies such as Enforcement Directorate, FIU, DGGI, Income Tax Investigation Wing, etc. So that is something that is very challenging for Revenue Secretary. Apart from that, adaptation of technology to plug revenue leakage, and at the same time to ensure ease of doing business and simplification of compliance. So let's see how the new upcoming Revenue Secretary deals with these key challenges.
Absolutely. Many thanks for those details, Timsy. On that note, it is time for us to head into a short break, but don't go anywhere. More news and updates continue right here. Stay tuned.